Hello, crafty friends. It's Maria Robinson, Stamping Simply with Maria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a gift bag. Actually, it's like a mini gift bag that uses one sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper. And with that one sheet, you'll be able to get two bags out of it. There's no stamping going on unless you want to put a tag on it at the end, you know, once you're done with the bag, which I will do, but not today. We won't be doing the tag today. For today, like I said, I will be doing the gift bag. And at the end of the video, if you hang on for a bit, I'll show you a couple of other bags that I made using the same technique and, you know, just changed it up with some papers. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting pretty excited about the new mini catalog that's going to be launching January 4th. A lot of great products in there. I can't show you the inside, but I certainly can show you the cover, which is right here in front that you could see. And with that, we'll also be Stampin' Up! Is also launching Celebration. Again, same thing, can't show you the inside. Lots of great free products that you could earn with either a $50 or $100 purchase, pre-tax, pre-shipping. So let's put those aside and get started with our project for today. And actually, one of the papers that I'm going to be using today comes from the Friendly Hello Designer Series paper pack that I earned. I pre-earned actually, because as a demonstrator, you are able to earn before everybody else does. So with that, I received the Friendly Hello Designer Series paper, which is just beautiful. I mean, I've already started using it. As you can see, I have some sheets taken out and cut up already. But there's beautiful papers, really pretty, really pretty. And as usual, you know, you got the front side and then you have the back side here. Pull some out here for you. So really pretty, lots of different options, pretty colors, pretty designs on it. And with this one, you can earn this along with the stamp set, which I don't have with me in my design studio right now. But for a $100 purchase, you can earn the paper pack and the stamp set. It's a great deal. So start thinking about things that you might want. So, like I said, we're going to be using a 12 by 12 piece of paper here. I already cut some of these down, so rather than getting a new piece out, I'm using one, I think this one's 9 inches by 12 inches. So I'm just going to cut this down at 6 inches. I'll put that aside. And then that's pretty much all the cutting I'm doing for now. But I do want to start scoring. So I want to make sure that I'm going to score at 1 inch all around. So make sure I have the score blade down, which is the lighter colored one, and go up and down just a couple of times. Since it's designer series paper, you don't want to go too hard. Then we're going to turn that around and we're going to score at the 3 inch mark. Again, a couple of times. Move that over to the 4 inch mark. And score again. And then I'm going to open the arm of the trimmer and move it to 8.5. Score. And then 9.5. And score. And then I'm going to turn it around again, and I'm going to flip the paper around so it's on the short end, and you want to score about, okay, this is a weird one, 5/8 of an inch from the top. So the 5/8 inch mark is, that's the half there, and then you move it 2 lines over, and that's 5/8. All right, put that down, hold it down, and score. This is going to be the fold on the top of the bag. All right, so we are done with the paper trimmer. I'm going to put that aside. I know you can't see the score marks here, but they are there. And so let me start folding these down. So this is going to be the top of the bag here. That's why it's a smaller area. We'll just give it a nice finished look. And then we're going to fold these inward. All those other ones inward. Down. And I'm not going to crease them yet. And then the other two. This one here. And then the bottom one. Like so. All right. So before I do anything else though, I'm going to punch a hole in the sides here, which is where the string or the ribbon's going to go to hold the bag. So it has a nice handle. I'm using this very old-fashioned, I think it's a Martha Stewart hole puncher. I don't have a regular hole puncher. I know that sounds strange, but I don't. So this one works. And it's old, so it's like it takes a little strength to get it in there and turning. But it works. Alright, so I got my holes done. So that's done. I'm going to put this aside. And so now what you want to do is you want to fold it. Let's see, at the 4-inch mark, and you're going to cut just a little pizza slice, I call it, little triangle here. So, and then do the same thing on the other side. And this will just give you some nice mitered edges, like so. And do the same thing on the 8.5 and 9.5 inch marks. Sure. All right. That's all the cutting. That is all the scoring. And it looks like this when you're done with that. So we can put this together now. So you're going to put some, let me just make sure about this, how I want it folded in. So, and like so. All right, so that's how we want to fold it there. So you're going to put some tape on this piece here, and oh, hang on a second. I'm not sure if I want those or the other ones. And let's use some tear and tape. It's nice and strong. And you do want to use a nice strong tape for this so you don't, so your bag's not falling apart. And then we'll cut another piece, another 2 pieces for the other side. All right, we'll peel that off. 2, 4, and you're going to fold those in. I think I want to put them on. Gosh, that's the hardest part, putting this together. So right here. Actually, no, before we do that, let's put some tape on here. Otherwise, it's going to be hard once it's folded down. So again, you want to put some tape, you know, right along the edge here. You don't want to go too far in here. And I think I'm going to put some on this side here because this is going to keep the bag completely closed. So it's, you know, a few pieces on the outside and then a couple of pieces on the inside flap here, like so. All right, now I think we could put it together. That off, peel this off. And then peel this one off. And you can also tape this down if you want. I think I might just use some multi-purpose glue for that. Just a little bead of it right along the top here. Just to keep it closed so the flap's not going up and down. Like so. All right. Push that down. And then you just tape it together basically. I hope that it goes together correctly. So it's a little bit off, so I'm gonna, let's see, I need to move this one. See if I can take this off. I probably can't though. I think it's down already. All right, well, it didn't go evenly. But you want to try to get it as even as you can possibly get it. All right. And that's all. Sweet. Now you're probably wondering, why would I make this crazy size? So anyway, actually, let me put a little glue up here too, because I forgot to put tape up there. You don't want the bag falling apart. And you can use whatever, you know, gluing method you want, tape, glue, whatever you want to use. Tear and tape or glue, but you do want to use some sort of strong adhesive. And so we'll just put, I'm not going to do it now, but just a ribbon here about, I think about a 12-inch piece is pretty good. But the finished size of this, I believe, is 4 inches. Let's see what the measurement is. Nope, I'm sorry. It's 4.5 inches wide by 4.5 inches high. So it's a square, basically. So that is all for that. So let me show you the other ones that I made. This one here is a little bit smaller. Either I didn't cut it correctly, or because I think it's still a 6 by 12 inch piece of paper. And I made this size because I want it to fit. And here's another one I made. I think this one's a little more narrow. This treat gift box, gift card holder that I had made, and I wanted to put these in there. This, I'll do a video on this another time, but this is really cute. It's actually a gift card holder, and who doesn't love chocolate? It holds chocolates in here. So that I put in there, and I also put a lotion in here. Another one I made is I needed a little bag for these cute little catnip fish. So I needed a little bag for that, and I made a smaller bag here. This one, I believe, was a 6 by 6 inch, 2 sheets of 6 by 6 inch designer series paper. And I will have the dimensions for all of this on my, in the description below. So let's put these out here again. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing that. It helps me grow my channel. Give me a thumbs up. That also helps. And again, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever my videos are uploaded. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Usually I do a video every other Tuesday. I did post one this past Tuesday, but I won't be posting one in 2 weeks because I'll be on vacation. I'll be in Hawaii. So actually I'll be flying back from Hawaii. So anyway, have a great time, guys. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. See you soon. Bye-bye.